Hi guys, welcome back to my Facebook page. My name is Sarah. Today I would love to answer a question from my follower on Facebook page here. He asked me an interesting question and I thought that I would just answer in a live stream so that you guys can ask me questions too. By the way, I'm not really an expert in this kind of transgender terms. So if I say anything wrong or offend anyone, please feel free to let me know. Yeah, because for example, like 3 years ago, I had no idea about how the word she-male was offensive. And I used it and someone corrected me and I really appreciate that. So please know I have no ill intentions if I use anything wrong. Also including Thai versions too. If you are Thai ถ้าเกิดว่าซาร่าพูดอะไรผิดนะคะสามารถที่จะช่วยกันขอแก้ได้นะคะแก้มาได้เลยแบบว่าคอมเมนต์มาได้ Yeah, you can correct me, okay? So I'm not an expert in this one, but I'm trying my best to explain this. So Luis asked me this question. Is this word, I think I used the word สาวสอง in my IG story, my Instagram story, and I put สาวสอง or สาวประเภทสอง Yeah, สาว means young girl. Yeah, สาว ประเภท is type or pattern. สอง is two, or basically is the lady type 2. Yeah, means transgender, as in trans woman, right? So when he asked me this question, is this word more cute, slang, formal, funny, or more or less offensive than กะเทย? So yes, I would say that. I think it's not more cute, but more like formal and less offensive than กะเทย. The word กะเทยthough, the word กะเทยspelled this way, กอไก่ สระอะ yeah, and สระเอ ทอทหารยอยักษ์. So the first syllable กะ vowel อะ and the other one เอ่ย สระเอ and e at the end เอ่ย กะเทย กะเทย. กะเทย is not considered offensive, but it depends on the tone of voice. If you call the other person like กะเทย with the face of like insulting someone, or with the tone of voice that's like aggressive, or if you add the word e, which is the title, a prefix that we use to degrade someone, is considered derogatory title. Yeah, eกะเทย. Yeah, if you say something like this, it's rude for sure. So I would say the word สาวประเภทสอง or สาวสอง is more formal and pretty much safe to use. Yeah. Okay, so he has two other questions too, which are number one, how do you spell กะเทย? I already answered that one. And number two, is there an equivalent name to สาวประเภทสอง for a woman to man transgender person? I don't mean a tom. So tomboy or tom will be a girl dressing like a boy, right? We use the word tom in Thai as well. He said, I mean a woman who takes hormones and has transition, so has sex change and stuff. We call them, I jotted it down, it's like, I think it's ชาย ผู้ชายข้ามเพศ. Yeah, ผู้ชาย man, ข้าม following tone means cross, and เพศ is gender or sex in Thai. Yeah, ผู้ชายข้ามเพศ ผู้ชายข้ามเพศ. On the other hand, you can call trans woman ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ too. Yeah, ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ is very formal, more formal than สาวประเภทสอง I think. Yeah, ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ so girl becomes a guy. Yeah, ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ ผู้ชายข้ามเพศ guys, no, girls, hold on, sorry, ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ guys become a girl. Yes, I was wrong, I swap it. ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ, so a girl becomes a guy becomes a girl. Keep saying it wrong. ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ, so basically cross gender, right? So ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ will be, the end result is become a woman. ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ, a guy becomes a girl. Yeah. ผู้ชายข้ามเพศ yeah again เพศ is gender ข้าม means cross yeah ผู้ชายข้ามเพศ is a girl becomes a guy so the end result is the one that we put in a sentence yeah ผู้ชายข้ามเพศ the end result becomes a guy ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ the end result becomes a lady we also have this term เพศทางเลือก yeah เพศทางเลือก ทาง is way เลือก means choose ทางเลือก means alternative or optional yeah เพศทางเลือก so literal meaning is optional gender that's interesting anyway so that's another term for trans people yeah เพศทางเลือก some people don't like this LBG what are the terms LBGTQ right I'm not sure if I got it right yeah เพศทางเลือก yeah all of them we call some of them don't really like these terms so much เพศทางเลือก yeah and the other one is probably equivalent to the word shemale which is ตุ๊ด yeah so shemale is offensive right the word ตุ๊ด is usually offensive too ตุ๊ดต่อเต่าสระอุ yeah ไมตรีรอเด็ก high tone ตุ๊ด this one it depends sometimes it might be used in a very funny way positive way and there's a Facebook page name with something about ตุ๊ด yeah but it's not considered offensive so I guess it depends on the context but in general it's offensive so ตุ๊ด yeah like if I call someone a guy acts like a girl and he just like being a bad person or rude and if I say like he act like a girl like I would call him like ตุ๊ด that one is definitely an insult yeah ตุ๊ด or อีตุ๊ด yeah the one you add the word อี derogatory title อี yeah อีตุ๊ด that's like really bad yeah I think อีตุ๊ด is probably as bad as อีดอก like when you call a girl a bitch yeah so that's like bad yeah so I guess that's it so there's กะเทย yeah กะเทยis one is fine to use กะเทย is usually used for a transvestite yeah so transgender like that's already sex already changed right but transvestite is like a person dressed like a girl right or yeah that's what I got yes a guy dressed like a girl transvestite in Thai we usually refer to them as กะเทย yeah or nowadays we just call them สาวประเภท2 so สาวประเภท2 I think covers both transgender like trans woman and transvestite yeah too so again all this information I'm not like an expert in this LGBTQ community thing if I make any mistakes explaining all this you can correct me so other people can learn too just leave in the comments section below and yeah so I'll learn from you guys too okay the first word yeah กะเทย and then ตุ๊ด is like female offensive สาวประเภท2 or สาว2 the one that I put in my story the other day เพศทางเลือก this one is very formal เพศทางเลือก cover both trans woman and trans man yeah ผู้ชายข้ามเพศ trans man ผู้หญิงข้ามเพศ trans woman okay so that's it gender dysphoria in English what does that mean เปิดดิกค่ะ I gotta look up in dictionary right now dysphoria yeah again I'm not like an expert in this dysphoria gender dysphoria is a term that describes a sense of unease a person may have because of a mismatch between their biological sex and their gender identity okay yeah I guess that's probably เพศทางเลือก in Thai that one again I try to not really mention about anyone's genders if like I try not to like you know or use the pronouns that they feel comfortable with I think it's very sensitive and I'm trying my best to respect everyone's wishes to be called the way they want to and I guess the best way or the safe way to make sure that you're not gonna offend anyone. Maybe just ask the person like which pronoun they want to be called, I guess. And nowadays I see on Instagram there's a pronouns that prefer pronouns that you can put there so people can call you accordingly. Yeah. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, you can send me a direct message, and when I have time, like today, I'll come on live stream and then I'll answer you guys. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys again next time. If you have any questions at all, leave in the comment section below. And if you want to support this page, you can send me stars. Every star counts. And if you want to support me and make a donation, you can make a donation to me directly, or if you want to make a donation for a cause that I go to what's it called, like an orphanage home once or twice a year. I haven't done it because of COVID, but usually I do that. So if you want to be part of my campaign and stuff, you can do that too. So some people would just donate to my PayPal and say, this money is for you, you can do whatever you want. Or some people will be like, Sarah, I want to make a donation to a charity. So you can just specify, let me know how you want me to do with the money. Yeah. Anyway, so every time I donate, I show you guys the bank slip to prove that I actually give the money to them. Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's all for today, I guess. And I wish you a lovely week. It's just Tuesday, right? The beginning of the week. I usually lost track of time of day. Hi, Robert. Robert is my student. He's watching. สวัสดีค่ะ I'm about to leave. Okay,ค่ะ. All right. Thank you for watching, tuning in. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.